How to trade binary options successfully. Hello my friends. A new video today about binary options and how to earn money with ease. Watch the video to the end, there are a lot of tips we can give you. And do not forget to join us in the channel and activate the bell button. There are a lot of paid strategies and a set of tools available to you for free. How to trade binary options successfully, complete guide. Basic steps. These are basic steps that you should take to ensure that you are set to trade binary options successfully. These are steps that should be employed by everyone seeking to trade in binary. Please note that these steps do not guarantee winning results, but they will certainly go a long way in ensuring you get the results that you desire. We are going to look at 6 common steps, assuming you already know what binary options are and how binary options brokers work. Let's get to it right away. 1. Choosing the appropriate broker. Trade binary options successfully. Why do you need a broker to trade binary options? You can only trade in binary options through a binary options broker since the capital threshold for the main market is very high. It is estimated that there are over 400 binary options brokers around the world currently. 2. Start small. Many people and the brokers themselves will tell you that starting with a demo account is the best way to get started. I beg to differ. However, why? I mean, you don't have to stake your money with the demo account, so you get to learn slowly. You see, most of these binary options broker accounts give you a virtual financial market on the demo account. They will not give you access to the real market because in the actual sense there's no capital in your account. It's more like learning to ride a bike by pedaling on a stationary bike. You could still start with a demo account if you are a complete novice, but don't dwell on it a lot thinking you are learning a lot. It would be unfortunate for you to get involved in the real financial market thinking you know a lot only to end up losing a lot of money because you actually know nothing. My advice is to start with a real account, but start small. Start with small amounts. 3. Managing risks. This is one of the most important, if not the most important, aspects of trading binary options. If you have no risk management skills, you might as well consider yourself to be gambling rather than trading. Risk management starts with the minimum deposit. Do not deposit money you don't have. By that I mean, do not deposit money into a binary trading account when you have pending bills. Do not borrow money to trade binary. Do not deposit money that is not yours. You need to understand that you cannot solely depend on luck while trading binary. Traders who depend on luck do not last. Once you have your deposit on the trading platform, do not stake all you deposit at once. A general rule is not to use more than 10% of your deposit in a single trade. Chances are that you will lose a couple of times. Give yourself a chance to redeem yourself once you make a wrong prediction. Statistics show that a majority of the binary options traders join a platform, make the first deposit, fail to manage risks and loses all the deposit, then quits and never trades again. That brings me to the next step. 4. Keep the emotions at bay. People get carried away by emotions and take too many risks, or quit before they have really explored binary trading exhaustively. The same way you are advised to keep the emotions and attitude away from a workplace is the same way you keep them away from binary options trading because things are not always going to go your way. There are 2 emotions that are quite detrimental to your trading endeavors. Fear. Many people will make people fail to make a lucrative trade because of fear. You counter fear by having a strategy and sticking to it. We are going to look at strategy next. Greed. Greed does to you the opposite of what fear does, but you still end up losing. Greed leads you to take too many risks. Again, it is tackled using strategy. Keeps these 2 emotions, and generally all other emotions at bay while trading. Get a strategy and constantly focus on how to improve it. Once you have established a solid strategy, stick to it so long as it's working. 5. Personal discipline. If you do not have personal discipline, you might as well not think of getting involved in binary trading as well. Indiscipline and laziness will kill your dreams of successful binary options trading on arrival. You need to be able to handle high-pressure situations. They need to reason fast and reason logically. Also, learn to stay put even when things do not go your way. Things will fail to go your way a lot of times in your trading endeavors, especially when you are beginning. That's why many people never make it out of the beginner phase. 6. You never know enough. You can never know everything there is to know about binary trading. You will be shooting yourself in the foot the moment you start thinking you got the perfect strategy and you know it all. the learning never stops. Concentrate on constantly improving your strategy. That improvement will reflect on your winning strategy. Many binary options broker platforms require you to have over 60% winning rate to make a profit. Strategy. The strategy is the magic word in any binary options trading space. Having a binary options trading strategy is your best bet if you wish to make anything trading in binary options. If you have no strategy for trading in binary options, you are basically gambling. Gambling with binary options has been proven not to be sustainable time and time again. Gambling with binary options is even worse than gambling on pure betting sites and casinos. At least you have the chance to win a jackpot and get life-changing money on the betting sites and casinos. They are rarely won though. Strategies are based on the financial market behavior. To have a strategy, you need to have some analytical skills or employ a third party that can help you with the analysis. You as the trader relies on statistical and analytical data to analyze the financial market. This approach is usually a bit difficult for beginners to understand, and most of them end up quitting. The strategies developed through the analyses are the most reliable though. There are a lot of resources developed to help you understand the analysis process and the charts. There are no best days to trade binary options. Most of the trading platform run for 24/7.